brace your core. Do not let your lower back hyperextend and letting that lower back arch. You want to bring the hips and the ribs towards one another so you create a box-like shape in the trunk. Don't flex the spine overly. Don't let it extend overly. Create a box, create tension. Keep your head in neutral. Don't tuck your chin in or lift your chin up. Get your shoulders over your hands. Create the box. Look straight ahead. Roll as far out as you can and then pull back using your arms, squeezing your lats down. So you're going out through the arms, back through the arms, feeling your lats and your triceps. Stay under tension as you bring it in. And your core, as a result, will stay stable and engaged without putting unnecessary pressure on the lower back or on the neck. This is Patrick Moore Jones in the MoJo Dojo. Take care guys, see you soon.